15 days course on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning using Python. Module 1 Evolution of Python languages such as idle, pycharm, spider, Jupyter, tohny, Google colob. Module 2 Basics of Python Programming HLL-LLL-Machine Learning, Instructions, Datatype, Operators, Identifiers, Control Statements, Functions Random Math Function, Lambda Function. Module 3 Fundamentals of Python, Data Structure, OOPS, DBMS SQLite. Module 4 Introduction to Numpy and Scipy, Matplotlib, Line, Bar Chart, Histogram. Module 5 Introduction to Pandas, TensorFlow, Summation. Module 6 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Technologies under AI umbrella Data Analytics, Robotics, Neural Networks, Expert Systems Fuzzy Logic, Genetic Algorithm, Natural Language Processing. Module 7 AI using Python, Programming Examples. Module 8 Introduction to Machine Learning, LLL. Module 9 Data Analytics, Mean, Mode, Median, Min, Max, Variance, Standard Deviation, Normal and Poisson's Distribution. Module 10 Regression Analysis Linear and Logistics Regression, Best Fit Line and Deviation. Module 11 Support Vector Machines, Decision Trees, Random Forests. Module 12 Clustering, Types, K-means clustering. Module 13 Introduction to Neural Networks, BNN, and Linear and Nonlinear Activation, Chaining Rule, Gradient Descent. Module 14 Pattern Recognition, Image Recognition, Applications of Neural Networks. Module 15 Mini Project Software Development using Python. Registration link is given in the description box of this video. WhatsApp message on +91 7821053891. Email us on info@technovisionacademy.in. Course Coordinator Technovision Academy www.technovisionacademy.in